What's up guys, welcome back to another episode of Gherkin Beans Unboxing and Reviews. Get used to the review videos for a little while, we've got some coming up. The vlogs will resume shortly, just a little update for you. Today we've got the Yontex car air purifier and smartphone charger. Let's get right to it, plug it in, and tell you guys a little bit about it. Alright, so in the box you got, of course, your instructions, which is just one page, not very detailed, but you don't really need much instructions with this device. And then a thank you card for your purchase. Pretty much all Amazon stores are doing something like that, which kind of makes you feel like you can trust them and rely on them for any of the help that you might need setting up your product or just getting it up and running. Other than the instructions though, we've got the device itself. It's kind of normal design, cigarette lighter design. It's got two USB ports. Now it does say 5 volt 3.1 amps. I'm not sure if that's 3.1 split between the two, so that means one is a fast charger and then one is a standard like 1 amp charger. That's probably what it is. One charges at 2.1 amps and then the other charges at 1 amp. And we'll confirm that for you too with the battery app on my iPhone here. But that's not what we're here for, not just to charge the device. It's also a car air purifier, and after reading the description and talking with the manufacturer of the device, it purifies the air in your vehicle by adding negative ions to it. So I guess mold spores and germs and just bad smelling odors contain positively charged ions, and then this emits negative ions which make those positive particles drop to the floor, disintegrate, die, whatever, and get rid of the smell. That's what I read about it, and I hope it works. So if you're curious like myself and you're wondering what the little black glass window is for, it displays the battery voltage coming from the vehicle, and then it also displays the output voltage of whatever device you're charging. So that, I guess, will also confirm if it's 2.1 amps from one charger port or 1 amp from the other. Alright, I've already got my phone in the on position, accessory on. We're gonna plug it in, and immediately you start to hear a fan running. Now it's daytime, so we can't really see that light, and then the angle of my charge port makes it really difficult to read. But that is currently saying 12.1. That must be the battery voltage coming from the vehicle. Let's plug in the charge cord and see what it switches to. There you go, 0.9 amps. So that must be the 1 amp charge port. Let's plug it into the other one. And it still says, oh, there is 1 amp, 0.91. So I'm not sure why they claim it's 3.1. At this point, let's double check with the battery app on my phone. Alright, well, it actually can't even read the output from this device. So I'm left to believe that it's charging at 0.9 amps. It actually just went up to 1.19, so one of the ports or both of them do output more amperage than the other to give it a faster charging rate. Plus, it also matters what your phone percentage is currently on. My phone is almost full, so it's going to probably trickle charge over the fast charge rate. If I was below 40%, then it would probably boost it up to a higher charge rate. All right, now I'm going to sit quiet for a second, put the camera near the device so that you guys can hear the actual sound that it's making. If you had the radio on, you probably wouldn't hear it, so it's not too big of a deal, but also this is my race car and it's loud and I would not hear this anyway. And then in any other car, if you're in a big old SUV or a minivan, the port for your cigarette lighter is gonna be way away from you anyway, so you probably won't hear it at that point either, but I'm gonna quit talking, let you guys listen to what it sounds like. So as you can see, it's just a slight hum, not too big of a deal. Might bug some people. Not me though. The only thing left to do is to let it run every time I'm in my car, use it to see if it eliminates any odors. The vehicle really doesn't have much of an odor. It's kind of humid. It's almost summertime here in North Carolina, so it's getting hot and the car inside is always muggy, so I guess it has kind of a warm, muggy smell. So maybe it'll get rid of that, and if it does, I'll check back in and let you guys know how it's working. Well, to conclude this video, I've got some awesome news. The manufacturer of this device has included a discount code for all of you guys to purchase it if you'd like to. It's currently $18.99 on Amazon, but the discount code will get you some percentage off, and I want to thank them for that, and also for sending this device out to review for you guys and create some more content on our channel. We're looking forward to many more partnerships with companies like these. I know this channel is becoming somewhat of a review channel lately, but I assure you there are vlogs coming. It's just finding time to edit them. Thanks for watching this episode of Gherkin Beans Unboxing and Reviews. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit the thumbs up button if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already. And remember, hit the link in the description below for a discounted Yontex car air purifier and smart car charger. See you in the next one.